Good day to one and all. May peace, mercy, and blessings of the Almighty God be with you. My dear bar examinees, take these bar examinations in stride. Your extensive preparation will definitely dispel all your doubts, worries, and anxieties. Answer the bar questions in a short and simple manner. Do not complicate your answers. Simplify them as much as possible. After responding with a yes or no, briefly explain and apply to the facts the applicable caudal provision or jurisprudence. Thereafter, conclude your answer in one sentence. Above all, trust God and pray for His guidance. God is your light and hope. With Him, you will never lose your way. With your exhaustive preparation and unwavering faith in the Almighty God, your title, ATTY or attorney, looms large on the horizon. Believe that you can handle these bar examinations. Hold on to your conviction that you will succeed, and you will, God willing. Good luck to all. May God's light and guidance always shine radiantly on you as you answer the bar question.